Good morning, Dumaguete. Ito ang Dumaguete at around 6:45 in the morning. Medyo konti pa yung tao, konti pa yung sasakyan. But in a while, alam ko magta-traffic na dito sa Dumaguete. Dumaguete is a cool place. It is known as the city of gentle people. Sa ngayon, konti na lang yung nagwo-walking, nagja-jogging, pero 5 o'clock in the morning, ang daming nagwo-walking dito at saka may nagzuzumba pa at as early as 5:30 sa morning or even 4:30 in the morning. Kaya ito yung Dumaguete. Again, Dumaguete is the city of gentle people. Totoo naman na gentle lang taga Dumaguete. Ayun, nice place. Makikita mo yung sikat ng araw.